Alright, so let's look at action. Action. The things and activities we do. We may feel them directly or indirectly. So, snigger, to laugh at someone. Snigger. Snigger. You can't touch it. You can feel it directly or indirectly. Depends on things. Robbery. We can't touch robbery, but we can experience it. We can hear about it. Oh, I heard about a robbery. Someone stole something. Or progress. Progress. We're making progress towards something. Progress, like an umbrella word for action, moving towards something. Moving towards a goal. Progress. Or moderate, to judge things, like or to be like a referee, an arbitrator. I will moderate this debate. Make sure no one's cheating. Or develop, to create things. To create things. I created a new class, but I develop the idea. I think, well, if I do this and do that, we can change this. And then we can change things over time. We can develop an idea. We can't touch develop, but we can make developments. This technology, compared to what it was 10 years ago, has developed over time. Things have grown, changed, evolved, even, as some would say. It has adapted. It has changed over time. This technology, that type of car, these kind of pens. These classes have changed and developed over time. Respect. Respect. Like admiration. I have respect for that person. I respect his decisions. I respect his choices. You can't touch respect, but you can feel it directly and indirectly. Oh, he has respect for him. I have respect for him. They have respect for me. Yeah. And chuckle. Very much like snigger. Chuckle, chuckle. You can see and witness a chuckle, but you can't touch it. It's a laugh. It's a kind of laugh. Chuckle, yeah. And steal, like robbery, but it happens. He stole something. There was a robbery at the museum. He stole the painting. Stole and a robbery, different. Robbery is more organised and with greater force, but steal could just be and gone. And travel. Travel. Going to places. You physically go to places. Egypt. You go to Egypt physically. But travel, you can't touch travel. You can achieve, you can do travelling as an action. I'm travelling to Egypt. But can you touch travel? Can you put travel in a jar? In a box? No. Or judge. Judgment. Can you put judgment in a box? No, it's a thing. It's looking at things. Which is better? Judging. Judge. Yeah. Deciding. Making a choice. And expand, like to grow. To grow, to expand things. Like if I want to expand a balloon, the balloon's getting bigger. The balloon is physically getting bigger, but I'm expanding the balloon. Again, can you put expand in a box? Can you touch expand? It is expanding. The balloon is expanding, but it's just getting bigger. But expand. Put expand in a box. I can put the balloon in a box, but not expand. And duty. Duty. Things I must do. Things I have to do. Duty. Things you have to do could be fight, build, clean, teach, write, create. That's different. It is my duty. But what is duty? Something you have to do. Again, can you put it in a box? Can I take duty and put it in a box? No. Can I take progress and put it in a box? Respect in a box. Steal, the concept of stealing in a box. Travel, expand, duty in a box. Can I put it in a box? Maybe? No? No. There's abstract. It doesn't exist. How cool. Is that Language Explorers? Let's keep exploring.